Welcome to Highwood Primary School F1 Parents Workshop, the prime areas of learning. The aims are to understand what the three prime areas are and what they mean in terms of child development, to understand the expected level in all three prime areas of learning for the end of Foundation Stage 1, which is nursery, and to understand how to help your child at home in order to achieve this level. There are 7 areas of learning throughout early years. These are prime areas: personal, social and emotional development, physical development, and communication and language. And the specific areas, which are literacy, mathematics, understanding the world, and expressive arts and design. It is important to mostly develop the prime areas first in order to develop the skills in the specific areas. The reason the focus is mainly on the prime areas of learning is so it creates a strong, solid foundation in order for your children to grow and develop in the specific areas. And furthermore, we could liken it to the growth of a flower in that it needs the water, sun, and soil to grow to its full potential. So what do the prime areas actually mean? Personal, social, and emotional development. This includes self-regulation, managing self, and building relationships. Looking into this more, it means the children will be developing skills to understand and manage their emotions and begin to understand how others may feel. They'll be increasingly independent with dressing and undressing and develop appropriate ways of being assertive. Physical development, gross motor skills, and fine motor skills. Gross motor includes waving flags and streamers, going up and down steps, and using apparatus. These activities help build and develop large muscles. Fine motor for hand and finger strength. We involve Play-Doh, scissors, and using small utensils. Communication and language. Listening, attention and understanding, and speaking. It's ideal for the children to learn how to develop initiating conversation, listening to stories, begin to ask questions, and using a wider range of vocabulary. PSED, personal, social and emotional development. This area of learning and development is about how your child is confident and self-assured, manages their feelings and behaviour, makes friends, and shares and take turns. There are many things that we can do to promote children's personal, social and emotional development, us as educators and you as parents. Here are some ideas. Activity ideas for at home. Share stories with children about different feelings, for example, the Moppy selection or the Feelings series by Tracy Moroney. This encourages children to talk openly about how they feel. Role-play different scenarios with children to help them to learn how to respond, for example, using puppets. And play games that encourage cooperation between the child and one another, such as rolling and throwing a ball to each other, or games where the child is encouraged to take turns. Physical development. This area of learning and development is about how your child moves and uses gross motor skills, the large muscles in their body, develops fine motor skills, learns about healthy living, and manages self-care independently. What can we do to promote children's physical development? There are many ideas on this slide, but speak to the children about the importance of hygiene, such as hand washing and teeth brushing. Involve young children in preparing food, and encourage body tension activities such as stretching, reaching, and curling. Value the ways children decide to move. Activity ideas for home. Cutting activities with child-friendly scissors. Any activities which encourage the use of muscles in the hands. Fine motor, for example, Play-Doh, tweezers, and small objects. And threading. Water play with tipping and pouring objects such as jugs and cups. Running games outside such as chase, hide and seek. Climbing equipment at the park, allowing the child to manage risk but use the equipment safely. Dressing Teddy or Dolly or even themselves. And cooking, baking and preparing food in the kitchen, helping to make the dinner. Communication and language. This area of learning and development is about how your child listens and pays attention, understands what's being said, communicates with others, and develops vocabulary and speech. So what can we do to promote the children's communication and language? There are many ideas, but maybe follow the child's lead to talk about what they are interested in. And give children thinking time. The children may not respond immediately. And model being a listener by listening to the children and taking into account of what they say in your responses to them. Activity ideas for at home. Share stories with the child, including stories that rhyme. Sing nursery rhymes together. Role-playing and acting out stories will allow you to extend the children's imagination, language, and introduce them to new words. Games such as I Spy are good for taking turns and introducing children to new vocabulary. Play alongside children at their level in order to model language and comment with your observations of their play. Flashcards, games to extend language and implement 1+1 idea. For example, if a child says bus, you could say big bus or red bus. And talk with children about what they see, hear, think and feel when you're out and about outside the home. For example, when doing the shopping or walking to the park, what do they observe? If there's anything else that you wish to know about what to expect to the early years foundation stage, just follow this link. Some thoughts to take away. Learning about themselves and their emotions will help your child build positive relationships with others. If a child cannot learn the way we teach, we should teach the way they learn. Fostering curiosity by encouraging exploration and questions and engaging in positive play give a child a sense of security and well-being, laying a firm foundation for the passion to learn. And thank you for watching. Please don't hesitate to contact us for any further questions you may have. Take care.